Kurt, here I go. I'm plugging it in. I'm about to plug it in. Plugging it in. Kurt, look. I'm about to plug it in. Just reach. Almost reached. Uh, 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 uh. Dang it. There. Plug and play. I like to go. Talk about the favors, man. If he starts getting run faster, get a little jealous. I think he heard me. Oh my god. I think the guy heard me. Oh my god, he heard me. Hey. You alright? I'll poke you till the sun goes down. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. What are you doing? Run! Oh, he's just going. Oh, now he's running. I'll stop him in a minute. Just let me do a little slap. Oh. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Where's he going? Too weird. Too weird. It's too weird. Just get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Maybe I'll just plug it in one more time and play. Oh, button. Oh, now he's white. He's all white. He's all white. Oh.
Just go around 100 times. And look, he's done it. He's not even saying anything. He's got it.
It was him. He poked you.
He's in there saying,
He is. They captured him. Whoa, he punched him. Don't hit people. It's not, oh, actually it is. It wasn't that nice.
they're gonna hit. Listen, we're gonna.
What? What's this? I'm really building now. Go in. Go in. He's recognized me. What? What? What is he doing? What is he doing? What does he want me to do? Is that a... Oh my god. What do I do? Pennies? Oh, that's so gross. What? Where it even come from? Look at me, I'm flipping coins. Ooh. Trying to make it go high. High. Buttons. No. There we go. Oh yeah, guys, this is Logo Bonnie GNA. I was trying to be weird, playing. Hello. Well, guys, it's still recording.
What's up, fellas? How y'all doing?
I'm good.
Excellent, excellent. Y'all good enough to eat and everything?
I think I'd have one more slice of pizza.
I think you probably won't because I think you're a little slow and you might get in my car. Put a little killer on us. Everything's coming. Just a slice of pizza and one piece of cheese. Works out fine. And I like that it gets eaten. I hate waste. Food
This is a weird game.
accessible. What is it? Was that some kind of... He was here and he was there and I went there and then you were there. Is that like some kind of like magic trick? I just made a move. I did too and it didn't work. Oh, excuse me.
No! What the? That was just weird. It hurts. I'm leaving. I think I'll leave one in. Whoa, new plugs. Yeah.
Are you gonna sleep there?
I don't care what.
Come on, bring it this way.
Uh,
Aw, isn't that just cute? And shake their little cord. Hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Whoa. No. This isn't cool. Oh my god. It's like a cow looking down. You're not getting involved in that, are you? Let's hope he doesn't get involved in this. No! Well, at least it turned the light back on. What happened? Turn it on. Flip. Flip on. Flip. Cool. Plug it in. There we go. There's another plug. For what? Unplug this and plug that in. Whoa, they're going pretty fast. Plug that in. Plug in. How long does this have to go on? It's an infinite loop. Here we go with the fingers. Let the fingers touch. No! Up! Oh, I see what... Never mind. He unplugged his finger. Is that even a thing? Hold on, let me try that, guys. No, guys, I can't do that. This game is so weird. I mean, who's the creator of Plug and Play? Plug the finger in there. Plug it in. Plug and Play. Is that the game? And well, guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Or is it even the end? And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. I think it's the end, guys.